Biggie daughter right there. Look at him. Look at that. He going crazy. No Biggie. No Biggie. Octane looking good though, bro. I'll just say 130. How about that?
It looked like a 150.
I'll just say 130.
The shit that got me tripping.
Look at that shit.
Just turned 8 months. Like Tank was even looking like that, not near like this.
That man cut the fuck up.
I just love seeing a dog that got clean front feet.
Some info on the dogs in the kennels y'all got?
Oh, this Supreme Bullet Count.
That's
Supreme
a pretty.
Bullet Count Zola.
So baby.
Hey, get right, mama. Get right.
What's your name?
Zola.
Zola.
Six.
Pretty. This one's stacked too right here. Look at that.
It's a kilo Lucci.
Sit, mama. Sit.
You got a big ass head, huh? You got the babies. Good boy.
Guys.
This is her first time, like, she's just so excited.
She's outside, huh?
It's her first time, like, getting around a lot of dogs like this. So she...
Mine times Conan, about 17.